Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer brake pedal feels soft issue and the potential problems behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A soft brake pedal in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as the pedal traveling farther than normal before braking response is felt, or the pedal feeling spongy rather than firm. Verified owner reports and service information show that this concern has been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying based on brake system design, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause is air trapped in the brake lines. Air can enter the system during brake service or due to fluid leaks, reducing hydraulic pressure and resulting in a soft or spongy pedal feel. Another confirmed cause involves degraded or contaminated brake fluid. Over time, brake fluid can absorb moisture, which lowers its effectiveness and can cause a softer pedal response, especially during repeated braking or higher temperatures. Brake system leaks are also a documented factor. Leaks from brake lines, calipers, wheel cylinders, or hoses can reduce hydraulic pressure and cause increased pedal travel. Owners have reported fluid loss or warning messages in some cases. Worn brake components have also been reported as contributors. Excessively worn brake pads or improperly adjusted rear brakes in certain configurations may require additional pedal travel to achieve braking force. Brake master cylinder issues are another verified concern. Internal seal wear within the master cylinder can prevent proper pressure buildup, leading to a soft or slowly sinking pedal during braking. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include ABS module-related issues, flexible brake hose expansion, or improper brake service procedures. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include bleeding the brake system to remove air, inspecting and replacing brake fluid, checking for and repairing leaks, replacing worn brake components, and replacing the master cylinder if failure is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer soft brake pedal complaints are resolved through brake fluid service or repair of leaks rather than major braking system replacement. However, outcomes vary by model year and braking system configuration. In conclusion, a Ford Explorer brake pedal that feels soft is typically linked to hydraulic pressure loss, fluid condition issues, or component wear. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.